My name is Rhapsody, his name is Orbital Potato, and welcome back to Jupiter's Forge.
Hey.
Specifically. Just clarifying.
Just clarifying. Yeah, what's the strategy this time? We tried a strategy in the last episode. It kind of worked, it kind of didn't. What's the strategy for this time?
We got to see what's going on before we decide the strategy. Okay, so
All right.
Here's my initial read. Silicon fucking sucks on this map. It's so bad.
Yep. It's pretty bad.
You got to
It's
invest
all
like
spread around.
huge into it to get any. There's one high carbon deposit. So, and there's only one medium carbon deposit. So if you sat like there, hang on.
I'll sit on the high carbon deposit, and then I'll take the. No, I'll sit on the low carbon deposits, and then, yeah.
Then,
okay. All right. So
then we can monopolize carbon. If we're monopolizing carbon, what is chemicals built with again?
Chemicals is oxygen, carbon, and
Might be fuel.
water.
It's not water. There's no way it's water.
Oh, okay.
There's literally no way it's water, and you're dumb for saying so. How fucking dare you? Piece of shit. I'm gonna look it up, and also if you're right, then I have a retraction of statements to make.
I don't think I am right.
No, I'm pretty certain you're wrong, because you're always wrong. Fuck you. How dare you ever talk to me? Just quickly check this, because this is terrifying.
See, the problem is, though, we're not really, like, monopolizing carbon. Like, there's still a lot of carbon slots available.
It's literally just fuel and carbon, and obviously power. So...
Is it? Okay.
Fuel is built by the ion condensers, so fuel can be built easily. Like, one thing, nowhere, just put it anywhere, build fuel. Easy. We go carbon. If you put it to the side so you could get double carbon, like the carbon high and the carbon medium, we could just rush chemicals. Although, it's worth noting, glass is already expensive. Although glass is going to be impossible to produce because of the silicon deposit. Good point.
I think we go chemicals. I think we commit all to chemicals. Like, let's just go all in for chemicals. Chemicals and power. Like, that's what we need, right? Just chemicals and power, and we're fucking sorted.
Okay.
Correct? All right.
So how's that going to manifest? Because chemicals does not sell for a super high price at the moment, so we can't just sell off chemicals and buy steel or something like that.
We can turn chemicals into patents.
Dude, how are we going to upgrade our bases? Need aluminium, iron, steel mills. Electronics can come later. What?
At what level is the patent lab available? Because
it's like level 3.
Do some. Okay. Yeah. Well, we need electronics. Maybe we start electronics, shift into chemicals. I don't know.
Not enough silicon. We would have to put down too many silicon farms in order to fuel electronics.
You're right. Maybe we don't go robotics then.
No.
As crazy as it is to think.
That's a way worse idea. Like, look at D&M Trust. Requires silicon and glass. That's horrible, bad idea. Reclamation requires glass. Seneca requires glass. These are all things that require silicon. Silicon sucks on this map. The only one that we're going to be able to, like, immediately try and boost an upgrade with is Yoshimi Robotics. Right. By focusing on the metals and, I guess, purchasing electronics. Because price of glass is already high, and unless everyone else goes robotics, they're going to drive the price of glass up as well.
You raise a valid point. Okay, so just tell me what I'm going to do, because I'm stupid. I need a little bit of extra coaching.
So you see where all of the carbon is?
Yep.
I think you sit just so that you can take the medium and the high in carbon.
Okay.
So that's 2 claims, and you can also crush one of the other carbons if you'd like. I mean, you probably should, in fact.
I kind of will do that, actually.
So that's already 2 claims. Yeah. You've got 4 claims total. then chemicals factory is going to be a single claim, but it only needs fuel. So the thing is, like, if because adjacency bonuses. Sorry.
Something else that we should bear in mind is that steel is ludicrously cheap right now.
Yeah, it is.
Unbelievably cheap. Like, why should we not just like try and purchase the amount of steel that we need?
Because we need so much steel. It's literally hundreds of steel. It's like 80 steel for the first level, 120 for the second.
It's 80.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's not
that's
out of this
still,
world.
That's a lot. We drive the price up as we buy it, though.
You're right. We do. Okay.
So I think because of the adjacency bonuses, you might actually want to also build the carbon medium and carbon high, and then on the carbon low space directly below them, you build the chemicals factory. So you build.
Good plan.
Good
plan. Yeah.
You see, like, if you have the top left part of your base sitting on the carbon low above the carbon medium.
I see exactly what you're doing. Yeah,
yep.
I 100% agree.
Good.
Yeah, 100%.
And then you have the ability to build a triangle of chemical factories at the very bottom now.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Cool.
Wow, so in sync right now.
So that's 3 of your claims. You can also consider starting, like, just build an ion. Just find anywhere that an ion would be good and just put one down.
Yeah. Okay. That's the fuel thing, the fuel production thing, over, right? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. And in the meantime,
yes,
you are going to get oxygen and upgrade resources, I guess, like, because we do need some to upgrade our base.
Yeah. No, I'm going to be going for aluminium and iron, and oxygen is not needed. Why are you asking for oxygen?
Oh yeah, of course, because we don't need it for fuel, do we? It's
oxygen is not included, Orbital.
That's good, actually. That's good. Okay, so where are you going to be plonking down your base?
Okay, so see below New Paris.
Aluminium is everywhere. I do. Yes.
There's
perfect. Yeah.
There's an iron very high next to a aluminium very high. Well, they're near.
That's perfect. Okay, so we'll both plonk down at 40 grand, right?
Yeah,
40 grand is a good place.
That's what the game advised. The game advised 40 grand is a reasonable time to plonk down.
Okay, perfect. I'm ready to plonk down. Ready to plonk down.
Mm-hmm.
Just we'll do it on your command, Captain.
Aye. I can't hear you. Aye, Captain. Oh, sorry.
Okay, we're ready?
Go.
Okay, ready?
Metal mill.
I just insta-claimed 3 tiles.
Beautiful. I'm going to start my steel mill as well.
All right. What do I do with my other claim? Oh yeah, it was ion collector, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Yeah, there we go. All right, things are in full swing. That's grand. That's working perfectly. I am only 40 grand in debt now, so that's great.
Beautiful.
A real plus.
So you should already be building some.
Yep. I'll share them with you if you'd like.
I'm just turning sharing on for all resources here.
Perfect. I'll do the same.
I'll also get a second steel mill. And I'll tell them both to start buying if they need it. Because we're going to need steel at pretty much all times here.
Pant Lab requires level 2. Only level 2. So whoever gets level 2 will need to get it. We do need geothermal power, like, ASAP, I think.
Yeah, that's going to have to be on the second claim, though. So steel mill is producing already.
Do you want to upgrade first?
Yeah, I'll do
take the geothermal.
I'll do it.
Okay, perfect. You can sell off some of the chemicals.
Okay.
And get the level 2 upgrade, and then just geothermal.
I still need more steel to get the geothermals yet. So.
Oh yeah. Okay. that's fine.
That's okay.
fine.
We can wait for just a moment before we do this.
Steel's pretty cheap. Like you could just sell off some stuff, like maybe some aluminium and get steel. Hey, perfect timing, eh?
First,
You sold off the steel. What?
sold off the steel. No, I constructed a geothermal power plant with the steel. You fucking.
A geothermal flower plant? Oh,
Yes, a geothermal flower plant. I'm constructing some flowers now. If you don't mind.
You want to get another one? You want to get another geothermal plant before I upgrade?
Yep. No, I just did.
Yeah, perfect. That will end our suffering, I think, rather nicely. Okay, I'm gonna get the next upgrade. That's what the next investment of steel will be in myself, and I am going to just build straight up more chemical plants.
Yep, because we have way too much fucking carbon. You're gonna need more chemical plants, and you're probably gonna need more ion collectors in order to power the chemical
That's fine.
plants as well.
I'll build like 2 more chemical plants, 1 more ion collector, I think.
Yep, sounds good.
Not a big deal. I think it'll work out as a perfect ratio. Okay, I'm gonna sell off some of my carbon. Get upgrades.
Cool.
Ion collector. 2 more of these guys.
Because electronics is like such a huge investment right now to try and go, you know, silicon and electronics factories. I'll just be purchasing electronics to get the patent lab.
Completely fine. Do you want to build the patent lab, or you want me to build a patent lab?
I mean, I have an extra claim currently, so I could just build it.
I know, but I can also demolish one of my elemental quarries, because let's face it, I have way too fucking much.
Nope. Like, you're gonna, you know those 2 spaces at the bottom of the plant? We could easily just fill those with fucking chemical, like... Oh, is it slowdown strike on me? Is it slowdown strike on me? It's not.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's on my fucking geothermal plant.
It is. Okay, so you're building the patent lab then?
I will as soon as I can.
Okay.
I just have to wait for my debt to go down.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, I can build one right now. It wouldn't be... In fact, it wouldn't even be bad. Like, when are we ever gonna need, like, this much carbon? I should just ditch one of these elemental quarries.
Okay, you're right.
I'll just, you know, ditch the worst one. Get, Patent Lab, there we go.
I'm gonna start paying some.
Yeah, I think that's... Okay, I put a protection boy on the job.
Nice.
Man, our power is great. This is great. This is really good. How much debt are you in? You must be in less debt
52K.
than me. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Dude, we're on top of this. We've got this. We've got this on lockdown. Yeah. Would you mind... Yeah, maybe we need like another steel mill when you hit your level 3. Maybe even like 2.
I mean, I can even put down a steel mill right now.
Yeah, okay, I think that's the play then, right?
Goes down. My debt is still kind of out of control. Like, I'm making 1178. Like, I'm making a slight amount from money, but it's not enough to pay down my debt right now, so I'm gonna have to sell off some other stuff.
That's fine. I'm gonna start researching a bunch of patents.
Cool.
Virtual reality.
Nuclear engines, ships and off-world markets powered with uranium if cheaper.
I'll take it.
No, don't take it. Don't take it, because
I don't want it. No,
they're usually powered by fuel, and we have a fucking surplus of fuel. We always will.
No, I don't want it. I was just do you want me to get solar condensers always on? Is oxygen going to be a big deal? Also,
No.
You want to hit that upgrade? Hit that upgrade button.
We don't use oxygen.
You can get it now.
I can't get the upgrade button right now because I have no money.
We'll just sell off some chemicals. We've got loads of them.
Okay. Beautiful. Upgraded.
There we go.
All right. What are we gonna buy
just gonna...
into now?
I'm gonna get more chemicals as soon as I have the opportunity to do so.
I can't see what New Paris wants.
I don't know if it actually wants anything. Like, I think it just wants, like, the shit that is around it. And I think that it doesn't aggregate into one big thing. It does want chemicals. Like, I'm sure it does. You see these, like, module laboratories?
Yeah, and they keep saying they want chemicals. You're right. You're right. You true,
okay,
you true.
One patent acquired. What about electronics? Is electronics an achievable objective for us? Is that maybe something that you want to work on as like a... Is it not?
I think electronics is too much of an investment for us.
It's just silicon though. Like, that's all we need. Like 1 tile silicon, 1 tile electronics.
It,
That's it.
well, I mean, but 1 tile of silicon gives you low silicon, low electronic, so low silicon.
But it's enough for like. It's enough for like 3 silicon factories, 3 electronics factories even.
What?
Yeah. Like, so the low silicon gives you 1 entire silicon. A single electronics factory consumes 0.25. It's actually enough for 4 electronics factories. 1 low tile. So like, maybe it's just like worth the meager claim. Look, I'll even get it for you. I'll even get it. If you build an electronics factory, I'll get the single silicon tile.
Okay.
There you go. This is actually working so unbelievably well. I can't believe it. Are you building fuel, by the way? Or is it just me that's building fuel?
It's just you.
Because I feel that I've got way too much fuel. Did I get a pan that gives me extra stuff? Minus 50%
they're both on very high. Hey, my goon squad intercepted a mutiny on my pleasure dome.
Glorious.
So I'm gonna re-protect my pleasure dome and see what I want to steal.
Build with aluminium instead of glass if cheaper. That's not really relevant for us, actually. I need to start paying down my debt. I'm going to sell off a bunch of chemicals and start paying down my debt.
Yikes. They do have a chemical refinery, one of them.
That's fine. Like we're like I've got so many pans that it's actually kind of not funny. So it's really working quite well.
Cool.
We might actually need a little bit more power. We're sort of zipping into a little bit of power territory that I'm not comfortable with.
I mean, there is one more geothermal plant, but I don't have any claims yet. So,
is someone powered? Is someone like fucking us over or whatever? Do you want to hit the next upgrade button? Also,
can't hit it.
Do you have any electronics factories? You do. Perfect.
I do. Yeah, 2 of them. Okay, are you somehow like eating electronics as soon as they come in? Because
no, shouldn't be.
I'm like, we're not stockpiling any electronics right
now. No, I don't. What would I use electronics for? It's just the problem is that the electronics ships take 60. If you like hover over the building, you can see that.
Yeah, you're right.
There's a shit ton.
One of your resources got undermined.
This is actually fine. We don't currently have enough
carbon. Dude. Yeah, your carbon just got undermined.
Yeah. So it's pretty bad.
It's pretty bad, yeah.
It's pretty bad, but it's also fine because I'm going to be disassembling the hacker lab really soon anyway. So
the hacker lab. This is not the patent lab.
The patent lab, even, yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to get that. I'm going to get 2 more pans, and then we're going to abandon.
Needs carbon. Yeah, silicon. My factories can't produce because they need carbon.
100%. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to invest a hell of a lot in just raw carbon.
All right.
In fact, I'm going to take an upgrade and get some more carbon coming in with some claims because we need carbon. Like, we just can't not have carbon. It's really essential.
Yeah, no, because it builds both our electronics and our chemicals. Like,
correct. It's really essential that we get it. Okay,
I'm gonna pay off my debt entirely.
We're close to an off-world market.
We are.
Yeah. As soon as we hit level 5, we're going to be in a good place.
Well, I mean, we don't need level 5. We can build an off-world thing as soon as we get it.
You're not wrong.
Sorry, as soon as we get the money for it. 87 to buy all of the glass that we'll need for it.
87k. Wow.
That's fine.
That's fine. That is fine. This guy is 65%, 60% of the money to buy me out. That's great. That's great. That's just fantastic. Our carbon production should be back up to a decent level.
Good.
Apart from the fact that there's
good.
a mutiny ongoing right now. I'm gonna re-mutiny it.
All right. I'm getting very close to being able to construct this space elevator.
Cool.
I did have to sell a lot of the.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Patent transparent aluminium. Build with aluminium instead of glass if cheaper. Dude.
Do it. Do it.
Market. Oh my god. Holy shit.
How long until that completes?
30 seconds. It's like super fucking short. Oh no, he just got it. He just got it. He just got it. Oh my god.
That's okay. That's okay. I'll just build this.
100% on me. You just build it? Do you have it? You building it right now?
Yep, it's going down. And it's protected.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's on me, dude. That's 100% on me. I'm now debt free, by the way, so that's
okay.
Great. That is on me. Yeah, okay. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. We're actually making a bunch of money from power because both you and I have power, and it looks like the AI does not have any power whatsoever to speak of, so that's kind of nice.
They do have one thing of power, but if I purchase a mutiny, I'm going to try and take it again.
No, don't mutiny. Destroy it. Like, if we can destroy it, then we can destroy it.
Oh. If we can destroy it, we can destroy it. Underground nuke, but the thing is, that won't work. Like, because it's...
No.
We can't even destroy it. We don't even have a dynamite, so it's just mutiny.
I'll mutiny it. That's fine. I did it.
Cool.
And I'll turn it off, actually.
My Offworld market is almost open for business.
That is grand.
Also, we're almost about to get a shipment of electronics. Cool. My space elevator is ready. I'm going to ship Offworld all of this fuel. Because we'll get 32k for it.
Yes, perfect. We actually have loads of fuel that's completely unused right now. I'm going to purchase an upgrade. I'll actually get more fuel. If fuel's trading quite well, I'll just stick an extra patent in there for now.
Really well. An auction on a low iron tile. Yeah, I don't know if I ever want to do that at all. I think I'm going to go an optimization center as well.
That's cool. That's cool. I'm also going to build an optimization center, so that works grand. I'll build yet more fuel, since apparently that's just what's in right now.
That's hot. It's hip. It's happening.
It is hot. It's hip. It is happening. Yeah, this is fine. So I've got all the patents that I actually wanted, and so I sold the patent lab, replaced it with an optimization center, and now everything is looking really good. Like, this is shockingly different from what it usually feels like at this stage in the game.
Just sold fuel Offworld, and now we have a ridiculous amount of money, or I have a ridiculous amount of money.
That is great. Okay, I'm gonna bump up my fuel production for you, buddy. That'll be the first port of call. And after that, it'll be chemical production. And after that, it'll be power production. Sorted.
I think I'm going to get these electronic factories as well. I'm going to get 2 more electronics factories.
You can upgrade their thingamabobber as well, their efficiency. If that's what you wish.
You know, I will do. Our goon squad intercepted. Nice.
Hey! Get fucked. Get fucked. Truly, truly fucked.
Cool. Elevator going up, and fuel still trades fucking incredibly, so I'm gonna queue up to fuel trading.
I'm increasing production as we speak. Like, it's getting an upgrade.
Excellent! This is the one!
Dude, we're doing it. We're doing it. Okay, next stage needs to be buy our own, like, buying shares in ourselves. I'll start buying shares in you, actually, since you're a slightly lower price than me. But that's cool. Like, we can just sell off chemicals now, right? There's no reason to keep chemicals around.
No, there is. Chemicals are being used for the increases in my optimization center.
Oh yeah, but like, dude, we've already got 300. Like we look how many chemical factories I have. Look at the number. Look at the number.
Oh, sorry. I thought you meant that you were going to start selling like them off, like not.
No. I just mean like selling our
Oh,
stockpile off.
slowdown strike on top of slowdown strike on my space elevator, and it didn't even fucking trigger the goon down squad.
So no, what happens if you offset it, then it like works. But if you it's fine. Wait a second, there is a radiation storm plus 100% ion collector production, dude. Look at the amount of fuel that we're getting. Look at it. Look at it. Look. What the fuck?
It's a reasonable amount of fuel, I think.
I think that's the most I've ever seen it. Fuel production is fully researched in an ion storm, or it will be fully researched in an ion storm. This is crazy. This is crazy, dude. Look at how fast the ships are coming. Look at it. Look at it.
That was incredible, actually.
Oh my god, that was bonkers. That was great fun. That was good. Oh man. Oh.
Pirates.
What a crazy time.
I hate those filthy bandits. Oxygen is selling for so much that I'm actually just going to build a bunch of solar condensers.
I still have 3 claims, dude. Like, what the hell am I going to do with 3 claims? Like, maybe oxygen? I suppose.
I mean, wow. Learn to do your own thing. Jeez, I'm buying oxygen. This guy.
Look, I'm gonna build mine right next to yours. All right.
Get an extra claim so you can build all oxygen.
I will. Like, fucking why not? I'll buy some shares in myself at the same time. Oh, maybe we want to do something with that 2,574 fuel?
Yeah, I'm shipping it off Offworld. I'm shipping it all off
Not even in debt. Not even in debt. This is so good. This is so good. Can you get another space elevator?
No, I can't right now, but I can in just a little bit of money. Oh my god, I just thought about that as soon as you said it. Yep. Yeah, no. As soon as you said it, I was thinking about it. I need another claim.
Get rid of the steel production. No, just get rid of the steel mill. Just get rid of both steel mills. Just fuck them. Just get rid of both steel mills.
I don't know. I want to.
We don't need it. We don't need any more steel, and any of the extra steel we're rich enough to purchase. Like, it's fine.
Okay.
Dude, look, we've got 2,564 fuel. Like, whoa, like we're fine. We're fine.
You sure? I'm gonna protect it. Man, all of our stock prices are just going wildly up.
Yep. Although, saying that, they have a pretty high stock price as well, so... Like, where are the pirates? Oh, that's annoying, actually. Alright. Oh, I'm so filthy rich. Optimizations in power. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, look, you can see it constructing. Look at the space elevator, dude.
Yep.
Like, you can see it getting taller. That is fucking dope as anything. That's awesome.
Fucking pirates all of the time. Stop it.
Plus 100% solar power production. Solar condenser production, even.
Yeah.
Today's
in nighttime
for. Look, we got loads. Why are you being so ungrateful for?
Yeah, but it's happening in the nighttime.
What's wrong with you?
It's so many things. All right, I'm shipping a lot off world.
I'm gonna start buying up. Let's go. Let's buy out Jolly 5. Okay.
Okay. I mean, their stock price is actually higher than ours.
Wow, 704,000 in order to buy them out, and this guy's 700,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a bit of a problem. But you know what we need? We just need space elevators. That's what we need. 100%.
Not wrong.
Okay, I'm starting to get rid of my chemical factories, and I'm slowly but surely replacing them with glass factories.
Okay.
Because
I see
that's
that.
where the money's at, dude.
I mean,
That's where the money's at.
I don't know how much silicon we have, but yeah,
We
because
don't
we're
have
at negative
enough,
one
but, like-
silicon per second.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, I'll trust you.
It's fine. It's fine. We need a bunch of glass, so that's about 100k. I'm gonna get a space elevator or two, just casually.
Good lord.
What?
Buying out
Also-
Frank would cost. I don't know if we'll ever have that much money.
700k. We will. We will. We will. We will. Trust me. Trust me, dude. What? Come on. Trust me. Trust me.
Mutiny took control of my solar condenser. I'm so sad. This is my sad sound.
Okay, that's my second space elevator. Perfect.
Nicely done.
And we just continue to ship fuel. That's all we ship. That's all we ship
Yep.
from now until eternity. Just fuel.
I'm doing it. I'm
Just
all
fuel.
aboard.
Just fuel. I'm also building up a bunch of glass, which is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
What about greenhouse? What about a greenhouse? Can we get a greenhouse? No, we don't have water production, do we?
And I have no claims.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna buy Joji out of the game.
We can.
Bye.
Yes, boys. And we inherit all of their purchases in our opponent, which means that we need much less money.
I think I'm not
We
too
can
far
actually
from
win.
being able to do this.
We can do this. We can do this. Oh, he bought shares in us? Fucking big move.
Wow, I'm fucking terrified. See me shake? See me shimmy? Boom!
There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have demonstrated the basic core competencies of human language. In order to converse between ourselves, the dialogue that was necessary to get the strategy out to win the game, it was difficult for me to justify why I said those words.
Oh, it feels so good, doesn't it? We
It
did
does.
it. We did it. We had a great strat. It took us a wee while, but we bloody well did it. Damn.
We
have
spent
a
most
look.
of our
Let's have a look
money
at the
on
overview.
glass, which Joji was providing.
It was, yeah, but also that was literally just for the space elevator. That was it.
Mm-hmm.
Like 100%. It was just the space elevator. We didn't spend any money on anything else. We produced like all of our resources bar glass. That's it.
Yep. That's what you do. That's what you get when you set down all of your claims before you actually even start the game. It makes it so much simpler.
You know what? We would have won way harder if I hadn't been a fucking idiot and realized that transparent aluminium patent was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And because that's a super cheap one to do, it's like 30 chemicals or whatever. It's really, really cheap. I should have just taken it at the start, and then we would have been able to get loads of space elevators really, really quick. But that was my bad. That was my bad.
So quick question. These Joji, there's ones that say they were patented by both you and another person. Is that their like racial ability? They can patent something that's already been patented?
Yeah. So they can actually license patents. That's what it's called, technically, I think. They're able to license patents from other players, which is kind of cool, actually, but didn't really understand how that mechanic works. But it's kind of interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of interesting.
It didn't really pull through for them. In the same way, both of us going robotics meant that we did not need to rely on the water. They had to battle between each other for water. They had one person producing a bunch and one person buying a bunch.
Yeah. Also, like, when you look at like power, we had a strong presence in that market the whole time, and I think that it really showed. Like, it was really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
It worked out really, really well.
Definitely.
Oh, fuck, dude, we did it. We fucking did it.
Now, what we've got to do is try and incorporate uranium into a build that is successful. That's what we could have possibly done at the end. Tried to swing into uranium to go massive power.
That's a good point, actually. We'll need to think about that. in the next episode, in the upcoming episodes. That's a good point.
Speaking thereof, my name has been Rhapsody. His name has been Orbital Potato. Hopefully you've been enjoying yourselves, and hopefully we'll see you next time.
Bye.